We're going to talk about a rather serious topic.
Hey guys, Steve here, 813 Keys. Working on a 2016 Toyota Tundra today. A little bit of an older car. I know I mostly do smart keys and stuff like that, videos for smart keys rather. But today I figured, I'd tap into the older one. So this one is a G chip, Toyota G, 44G, or whatever you want to call it. So you can tell it's mobilizer because of the light. Alright. And this one did have a passenger door lock and a driver door lock, so the code was right on it. Alright, so we're going to go to key, by vehicle, Tundra, non-products, and it's a 16, so it'll be 16 to 18. I'm wondering if it's an H. Let's try this one. Keys lost. Let's find out if this works. Move the key. Alright, so put it back in. It's in the off position. Okay, the reset was successful. Put it again. Put it back in. Okay, so it sees the chip. Okay. We're only doing a 1, so we're going to take it out, put it back in again. Okay. So we're doing 1. So it's complete. Over here. Flashing. Okay. So it's a 16 by VIN, but it's a 15 model. This is one of those things you gotta watch on about. You know, if it was a 16, it probably would have been an H chip. But I just knew it was a G. And obviously it worked. So, it's one of those things to keep in mind. A lot of Toyota models are split year. There's some vagueness between when it turns from a G to an H. Anyway, that was the 16 Tundra with the AutoProPAD G2 Turbo.
Thank you.